everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. Welcome to my video, What did you do at the party? This video is in English only. I speak British English or standard Southern British, and listen and repeat. And this video is about the past simple tense, the past simple. What did you do at the party? 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 The party was last Saturday. Today it's Tuesday. The party is in the past. That's why we use the past simple. We danced. We danced. We danced. In American English and Northern British English, it's we danced. We danced. That's also okay. The music was way too loud. The music was way too loud. The music was way too loud. We drank beer. We drank beer. We drank beer. We drank wine. We drank wine. We drank wine. We grilled some meat. We grilled some meat. We grilled some meat. We grilled sausages over a campfire. We grilled sausages over a campfire. We grilled sausages. We grilled sausages over a campfire. This is very American. We made s'mores. We made s'mores. We made s'mores. S'mores are basically sweet biscuit sandwiches or cookie sandwiches. You have two cookies, two pieces of chocolate. So cookie, chocolate, a marshmallow, chocolate, cookie, cookie, chocolate, marshmallow, chocolate, cookie. It's very sweet. You roast the marshmallows over a fire and then you eat them like this, s'mores. We chatted about stuff. We chatted about stuff. We chatted about stuff. We played darts. We played darts. We played darts. I didn't win. I didn't win. I didn't win. I didn't have a good time. I didn't have a good time. I didn't have a good time. I didn't enjoy myself. I didn't enjoy myself. I didn't enjoy myself. I sat by myself and regretted coming to the party. I sat by myself and regretted coming to the party. I sat by myself, no other people, only me, one person, me. I sat by myself and regretted coming to the party. What a bad idea. I didn't eat any sausages. I didn't eat any sausages. I didn't eat any sausages. We didn't drink alcohol. We didn't drink alcohol. We didn't drink alcohol. I didn't like the loud music. I didn't like the loud music. I didn't like the loud music. That's all. If you liked the video, you can like, comment, and subscribe. In the comments, maybe you can tell me about your last party. When did you go to a party and what did you do there? All right. And well, yeah, if you have any ideas for future videos, you can put your idea in the comments. That's about it, and see you next time.